If your dissertation looks like a hot mess, you're in for a stress. Let's fix that. Here are the 8 most common mistakes that can ruin your marketing dissertation and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, lack of focus. Don't try to tackle every aspect of consumer behavior. Narrow it down to something specific, like how social media influences eco-friendly purchases. Mistake number 2, insufficient research. Dive deep into those academic journals. A simple Google search won't cut it. Quality sources make a quality dissertation. Mistake number 3, ignoring sustainable consumption trends. Sustainability is hot right now. Make sure your topic is relevant to current market trends. Mistake number 4, weak methodology. Clearly outline whether you're using quantitative surveys or qualitative interviews and justify why. Mistake number 5, poor organization. Structure your dissertation logically. Start with a solid literature review, followed by your research methods, then findings and conclusion. Mistake number 6, overcomplicating your language. Keep it simple and clear. You're not writing for a Nobel Prize, just make sure it's understandable. Mistake number 7, neglecting your conclusion. Summarize your findings and their implications for marketers. Tie it all up neatly. Mistake number 8, lack of theoretical underpinning. Ensure your research is grounded in solid theoretical frameworks. Avoid these blunders and your marketing dissertation will shine. Best of luck.